So hey everyone, this is the day one of SQL question solving from Leetcode, and today we are going to start with the easy difficulty level problem. This is the problem number 175 combined two tables. Okay, so let's read the problem statement and then let's solve the query. So actually I have written the query already and I'm going to delete it. Okay, so the question is we have to join two tables. So first is column name. First table is person, which has column of person ID, last name and first name. Okay. And the second table is address and it has address ID, person ID, city and state. Okay. So we have these two tables. You can see the sample data in the table. And if we have this two table, we have to print the output in this way. So first name, last name, city and state. Okay. So this should be our output. So let's see how we can solve this problem. The problem statement is there is no address in the, this is the, you can see the problem statement here. You can read this. Okay. Write a solution to report the first name, last name, city, and state of each person in the persons table. If the addresses of person ID is not present in the address table, then report them null instead. Okay, and return the result table in any order. Okay, so this is the whole. Now let's try to solve this problem. Okay, so let's see the first input and output. From this we will try to solve the problem. So first we will start from statement. Okay, from, this is how the SQL query executes. Okay, you can see. So from table, person table. Okay, this is our first table. So person, let's alias this table as P. Okay, now this is our table. The whole table is loaded first, person table. Now we need to join this table with the address table. So I'm going to use join with address table. Join with address table. Let's alias the address table as A. Okay. And how we can join? You can see person ID is also available in the person table as well as person ID is available in the address table. Okay. So in this scenario, let's try to join. So person ID is available in the both tables. So we have to join it on P dot person ID and it should be equal to person ID of the address table. So A dot person ID. So this should be our criteria. Now let's imagine we have to report null if things are not there. So it shows the first table's all value should be there. If there is no value in the second table which is matching with the primary key of the first table, still we have to print that. So this is the left joint kind of scenario or left joint scenario. So let's use left join. And now let's add the select. What tables, what columns we need? First name we need. Okay. So P dot first name. This is the first column. Then we need P dot last name. Okay. Then third column should be city. Okay. And then state. Okay. So this is our query. Let's check it against. Okay. And let's try to run this query. So you can see the test cases are passed and this query is run successfully. In this way, you can think how we can solve the SQL problems. So this is all for this problem. We will see you in the next video. If you have any questions or doubts, then feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestion to improve the videos, Please add your suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you and happy learning.